Recapturing the enquiring spirit of the old naturalists, the new Naturalist Library, published by HarperCollins at £55 per volume, is to interest the general reader in the wildlife of the British Isles. This one, firstly, is bird populations, with 210 colour photos, diagrams and graphs, and 1,000 references. Second one is owls. I think this is going to prove extremely popular on bibliophileBooks.com. Breeding, ecology, feeding, and so on. Again, many colour plates, over 100 graphs, charts. That's owls. Next is terns, the wonderful seabird. Look at the jacket designs themselves are really gorgeous, and actually all of them are numbered 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5 and 1, 2, 6 in our series, so very collectible. So back to terns. I'll turn the pages for you, excuse the pun. There's the terns. And last but not least is Brecon Beacons, whoops, by Jonathan Mullard. Got another beautiful jacket on what flora and fauna, bats, birds, nests, trees, landscapes, and together with maps. As I say, each was published at £55, and through bibliophileBooks.com these books are £18 each. bibliophileBooks.com.